In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn on or turn off notifications while screen sharing on your iPhone running iOS 18. Notifications can be helpful, but they can also be distracting when you are sharing your screen with others. Knowing how to turn them on or off during screen sharing can help you stay focused and avoid interruptions. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Notifications. After that, tap where it says Screen Sharing. To turn on notifications while screen sharing on your iPhone, simply toggle on the switch next to the Allow Notifications option. If you want to turn off notifications while screen sharing on your iPhone, simply toggle off the switch. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.